Before this video starts, I'm gonna make a preview on how the script works. So we're just gonna enter the script, and after that we enter the application name, the app details, and for the state you can just skip. Elapsed time, probably yes, and you can choose whether you can watch live stream or listening, or the usual, which is playing. So right here I'm gonna choose streaming, and I've logged in, so let's check. So as you can see there, the title, which is HHH, you can see that. Let's just repeat the process again, just to make sure it's not a fluke or a setup. So I ended the script and started again. Let's type another app name, another app details, and elapsed time, which is yes. And I'm gonna go for listening. So after that, it's logged in. Right here, it's not refreshing, so let's refresh the tab. So as you can see, it's now listening to GU, and there's that. So here I'm on my iPhone, so I can screen record the entire video, so you can follow through what I'm doing. The first things you're gonna need is a fucking chicken, fucking crow. And here I'm struggling to find the Play Store, which is right there. So the next things you're gonna need is a QuickEdit app, for editing the script itself. I already have it installed because I was editing a script, obviously. So the next thing is, the most important thing you're gonna need is the Termux. Now don't download that, that's all. Okay, so just click the Termux and go to the description, and you can see the GitHub link over there. That's where the updated Termux are. So you can just type it on the Chrome, type Termux Termux GitHub, so I call it GitHub, and tap the first website that pops up, and then painfully what the hell? Okay, now painfully scroll to the bottom, because the author's been typing too much. Okay, now so you gotta find the release category and click on the release, and on the first thing that you see, just download the Termux app, the one with v7a on the last part, v7a.apk, and then you're just gonna click the three dots on the top right, downloads, and click the one that you downloaded and install that APK. After installing, just open it and just follow what I do here. First we're gonna set up the Termux, so we're just gonna type Termux setup storage. Then you're gonna allow what pops up right there to grant the storage permission. Next thing you're gonna do is apt get update. The third one will be apt get upgrade. Don't get confused by the two. Those are separate commands. And this one, it will ask for confirmation to upgrade. So you're gonna type Y and enter. So there will be several requests for this. The process will stop. You need to type Y to proceed. So here I'm just gonna fast forward this because my keyboard got broken, so I had to fix it. And here I forgot the commands, so I'm just typing the I don't know what I'm typing. And here, this is the one. Just package install Python. It will ask for confirmation. Just type Y. Just gonna fast forward that because that's gonna take a minute. So the last setup instruction we're gonna go with is Python 3 -m pip install -U. It must be capital U. And Discord pi double equals 1.7.3. You have to be specific or else it won't work. Here I'm just gonna fast forward this one because it's gonna take a minute again and it's boring. So I kind of forgot what I was doing here, but just to fill the video, the next thing you're gonna do is download the script. So I will be posting the download link on the description. Just check it out, it's free. There will be no ads, so you can just download it on the media file. So here I remembered what I was doing, so I'm just gonna browse the file, the Python script that's supposed to be downloaded. So it's called crimson.py. So the link will be on the description, so I'm just gonna download that. Since I already have the script on my download folder, it's telling me it's a duplicate, so I'm just gonna proceed after this to the QuickEdit app. Open the QuickEdit app. Already have a bunch of files open on this one. Just click on the sidebar and click internal storage. Browse to the download. That's not the download. just open the crimson.py, and there you can see the script. So what you're interested here is the first one, which is the token here. That's where you put your token. It is, and the second one is the app ID, and this third one is the image key too. So there are 3 things that you need to provide for the script to work. And of course I will be guiding you to how to get all of these in this video. So what am I gonna do here? I'm just pointing at things. This is a side note. You're gonna need a PC or a laptop to get your token, and you essentially need the token to log into the script, otherwise it won't work. So you're just gonna need to use the PC one time. You don't have to do it over and over again. And here I will demonstrate how to use the PC to get your token. Okay, so I skip a little bit, but it's still the same process. So you're just gonna browse, open the Chrome on the PC or laptop, and you're gonna type there discord.com, and you're gonna right click and click inspect. Some gibberish things will pop up that you won't probably understand, but the only thing important there is the application. So if you can't find the application, just click the 2 arrows that point to the right. Click that and you'll find the application. So you click the application, just type on the filter token. So since we haven't logged in first, the token will pop up. So yeah, just log in with your credentials. After I logged in, you can see some gibberish, a lot of things coming up. So what you're gonna do is just refresh for a bit and click local storage, and click the what's below the local storage, which is that HTTPS thing. And what you're gonna do is refresh. As you can see, wait, let me just pause that. Here I'm gonna draw an arrow. See that there's a token there. The moment we refresh it, and that will disappear once the website fully refreshes. It will remove the token. So what we're gonna do is, we want that token to stay so we can copy it. So what we're gonna do is refresh the tab and Control S. Refresh and Control S. So the website will freeze, and you can see that the token right there is not gonna disappear. So we can copy that and paste it to the script. It's gonna take some time to do this. It's gonna take some tries. So once you refresh the page, just press Ctrl S the moment you click on the refresh. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't. Just take some few tries. You'll get used to it. The thing that you want is, you don't want the page to load, so you just want to press Ctrl S as soon as you refresh the page. You want the website to be white, so you could copy the token. You want the website to be frozen, just like that. I think, yeah, you can see that the token is there, and the website is pretty white, just blank. Okay, that's how you do it. So I'm just gonna fast forward this because I've been doing this for a lot of times. So here I'm probably returning back to my table, just like that. And I'm just gonna open the phone back again. So what we got on the token, we're just gonna paste it there. So as you can see that, okay, that's my token. Don't freaking steal it because I'm just gonna change pass anyways. So just paste the token there with both the apostrophes on the token here. Make sure you don't delete the spaces. Now that we're done with the token, next thing is we're gonna do is get the app ID. So we're just gonna type bot developer and click on the first thing that pops up. And here I'm logged in, so I'm just gonna log out so you can see how it looks like. Yes, just click on the first link and click on the sidebar applications, and it will ask for your credentials. Just type your password. So here we're just gonna click new applications. The name can be any name, so I'm just gonna type there anything and just click on the agreement and create. So the next thing we're gonna do is get the application ID, which is that. Scroll down and just copy that application ID and paste it to the app ID, just like the way it is. Replace that. So you don't need to put apostrophes in that, so just click on save. And the last one is the image key 2. So the image key 2 is important, so you can show pictures to your Discord status. If you don't have it, you won't. It will just be blank. You won't have any pictures. So here, pay attention. So I'm just gonna upload a pic here, and after that, just rename it to whatever you want. Here I'm just gonna type B with a lot of R and just save changes. 30 minutes after adding the assets, go to the art assets, and you can see below that there's this assets 1 of 300. If you don't see that, that means that you have to wait more. And if you go to the visualizer, there's this large image key with the name of the image that whatever you named it. So if for some reason it doesn't show the name, that means you have to wait more. You have to select the name and you zoom in and open new tab and scroll. You're gonna go to the tab where you opened it, and here you're just gonna see a blurry picture of the image you uploaded, but we don't care about that. So we're just gonna, what we're in for is the link. So what you want is the 1017, or in my case it's 1017, and the last one is 956. So we're just gonna delete the other, just delete starting with the dash, and we're gonna delete to the .png. Now just copy the remaining number. Just make sure you deleted starting with the dash, and you can see here, pay attention to the image. That's the image that we were using to we are going to use. And go to the QuickEdit and edit the image key. Put paste the number that you got inside the apostrophe, there must be an apostrophe on both sides, just like that, and just click on save. Now you are ready to run the script, so go back to Termux. Okay, so you may have to do this first before you enter the following commands. You have to go to, you have to cd, ls, just to check if it's working, and then cd storage slash downloads slash, enter that, and after that you can check if you can see that there's a crimson the pi, so it means the Termux has access to the storage now. And now type python 3 crimson that pi, and you enter that. And this video is just a continuation, that's what I'm doing. So in this case we will be seeing the instance where I tried to run the script with the new photo. I'm just gonna type any name. Okay, after that the custom status has been applied, we can check. We can go to the Discord right now, and I'm struggling to find, there we go. Oops, there's a lot of token. So if you can see that it's not updated yet, I might have to redo that again. If it's not showing, you have to do the script again. Just Control C and go back, type. You don't need to type, just press the up arrow and it will type whatever you type lately. Here we try it again. And that should work. There you can see the photo has changed, and you can see the new photo that we added on the bot Discord website. That's how you change the image. So that's it. One more thing, if you're if you're constantly logging out from your Discord, your token might change. So preferably you shouldn't log out to your Discord, so the token will change, and you shouldn't use any code generator, two-factor authentication and such, so the token remains the same. And that's it. If you have any questions or any clarifications, problems, just comment down below and I'll try my best to support you.